How can someone own a form of meditation? Do I need to pay for a class? And how does that even work? I don't want to step on any toes, so I'll use a simple golf analogy to explain, and you can judge for yourself. Let's say Julie is golfing with a friend and notices that her friend always sinks her short putts. How do you do that? She asks. Her friend explains that she just thinks of the hole as a giant magnet that sucks the ball in. It helps her relax and has really improved her game. So Julie begins trying this technique and it really works. She also combines it with a new grip style and that helps even more. She thinks, this is great. In fact, I could probably teach classes. Fast forward a few years and Julie has formed Optimum Putt, a series of clinics that teach this form of putting. Participants pay for a class where they are taught this special way of putting. They get an individualized instructor who also designs a personalized grip technique. They are encouraged to practice 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening every day. The classes are very popular. There are even some pro golfers seen at the clinics. Does Julie really own this form of putting? Well, no one owns golf, and many players already use a similar technique, so Julie doesn't really own this form of putting. Eventually, word will get out and others will learn how Optimum Putt is taught. Other people could teach this basic technique, but they would not be allowed to call it Optimum Putt, however, because Julie trademarked that name. She does own that. Is it okay for Julie to charge people to learn this form of putting? Of course. She rents office space, pays staff, maintains a phone helpline, etc. And people often pay for classes that teach them how to improve all sorts of skills. You've probably paid yourself. So should people pay to learn the Optimum Putt technique, or can't they just learn it on their own? Well, that really depends on the individual. People who take the class usually do putt much better afterward because they are more relaxed. They take the class seriously because it was expensive. They are also told not to share the putting secret or their specialized grip with anyone else. This reinforces the exclusive nature of the classes and also boosts confidence because players believe that they truly have a special advantage over the competition. It's also true, however, that anyone can learn the putt this way without taking the classes if they can't afford the clinic or if they are motivated to learn on their own. There's a lot of information about the technique posted online. In fact, the personalized grip is actually just based on a player's age. Many players have the same grip, they just think it's unique because it's a secret. People can also watch successful golfers using the Optimum Putt technique. Some of them even talk about it. Okay, hope that clears things up, or at least encourages you to seek more information about meditation. And good luck with your putting. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Hands-On Meditation for more videos to help you maintain a healthy lifestyle.